Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel, Redline Moss. Thanks for tuning back in. We'll be installing RGB grill lights, upgraded ones. So, first off, taking off the bumper, super easy. All the time, you got 3 screws. Twist this wheel all the way to the right, take those 3 screws out. Twist it this way, take the other 3 screws out on the outside, which is located right there, and one over here. You don't gotta take the whole bumper off. From the bottom clips don't need to come off. You got tab, push tab, remove this panel, comes straight across, remove these 3, comes off, and your bumper should be good to go. Then you just use a plastic pry tool, which could be found on my website as well. Pry into it and pull this out. This pops open. Do the same thing on that side, and then hold it from here with both hands and pull outward, and you'll be good to go.
You said 255s in the rear?
65.
265s? Oh, yeah, you're straight on the front. Absolutely.
They already pull a little outwards, it should pop right down. Since it's lowered, that's how much space you're gonna have. So one strip is gonna go underneath this crash bar. There's already one, we're gonna remove that because he wants the upgraded ones. So we're gonna remove those. And one strip is underneath this. So we're gonna remove that and zip tie it real quick. Super easy. Under this crash bar, this much space underneath it. So you could run the strip right across. Bring the wire across over here on top, behind this, around, and you can hide the rest over here. We'll give it a shot. All right, so we got the connections right here. You got 2 connectors right there for 2 strips. High quality, of course. Don't cheap out on few bucks. What's it called? The 3Ms in the back already. Just heat it up a little bit and stick it, and put a little bit of 3M over it as well, so you can actually attach it to the crash bar underneath, and you should be good to go. And then we'll run these wires up the sides and hide them underneath this panel right here. So hide them over here in this little cubby area, little pocket, and yeah, that's it. Super easy. And get the connection for it, positive and negative. You could run it to an accessories fuse and a ground. You could run it directly to the battery as well if you want to do manually turn it on and off, because some people don't like to have it on when the car's on. So you could just run it to the battery directly, but you have to manually shut it on and off, but you got a remote for that, so you're good to go if you don't go through the app. I'm not sure if the battery, you're gonna need a battery in there as well, I believe, right there. So you're good to go from there. Let's put it on and see how it looks.
Let's see which one it is.
All right, so we got it connected to the battery right there. I hide all the stuff there. Extended wires all hidden, and it's working, so we're good to go. Got the chasing effect mode on right now, so it's daylight. Even these bright lights are on, and still, that's what you call quality. But yeah, I gotta put the bumper back on and turn these lights off and get a better view of it. And simple, just place the bumper back on top. The best way to do it is like so. Hold this phone, bro. Show them real quick. Just grab, pull up a little bit, and place it on top. Put these under so you don't scratch the hood. Once the bumper's on like this, once the bumper's on, you can go ahead and put 2 or 3 or 4 push tabs, and then let go. Then you could work the rest of the bumper. All right, that's done. Good lights are done. Check it out. He's gonna turn them on using the app. There you go. We got a chasing effect. Yo, that is dead nice, dude. That's dope. Yo, bring the app closer. I want to see. Oh, we got the, bruh. Upgrade your phone, bro. Oh yeah, on that. All right. Yeah, that's more of a blended in colors. You got a bunch of colors. You got solid colors too. Looks good. Yeah, anyways, that's it, bro. Yeah, dude, that's crazy how it changes its colors. It just like runs through it. That's it, fam. Peace out until next time. Hope this video was helpful and appreciate support. Peace out. Alright, so we got the lights turned off inside the garage, so you guys can see better over here now. Sweet. There you go. Nice. Oh, you got backward 2 and forward. Yeah, you won't get tired of this. There's a lot of animation in there. Go to solids. Back to animation. Different ones.